all able to see me and hear me, guys? Can you all give me a thumbs up? Okay, great. Perfect. So, very warm welcome to all my lovely ninjas, all my lovely students. Great to see you back here again for an amazing marathon session. So, hello guys, hello Kirito, Aishwarya, Uashri, Uncharted, so nice to see you back, man. Dhanush, welcome. Hello Aishwarya Gandhi, that's awesome. You're ready for the marathon. I'm doing great, Uashri. So guys, let us get started in a few more minutes. We will wait for your friends to join. But before that, I want to introduce myself to all those people who are new to this channel, who are coming here for the first time. So guys, this is the one-shot revision series and I'm going to continue with straight lines part 2. So straight lines, as you all are aware, it is one of the most important topic as far as your JEE Mains is concerned. Okay, it is a very highly weighted topic and you do get a lot of questions from it. So let's have a great time enhancing our knowledge so that we can get those marks meant for us. Okay, so before we go in, let me quickly run through my introduction for all the newcomers. So guys, my name is Shimon Joseph. I teach math at Vedantu. To talk about my background, I am basically from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I did my BTech also in Madras, and like you guys, I also prepared for KVPY, I prepared for JEE Mains, and I cleared all of them. And if you guys want to know me better, if you want to be my friend, if you want to be close contact, then you can reach out to me on Instagram. So this is my Instagram ID. You can contact me over here. I will clear your doubts. If you have any personal question, if you are demotivated, if you want some encouragement, you can always reach out to me. I do respond to everybody. Okay? What is the Head Start exam? So guys, we have some great teachers coming in, and if you want to be a part of those classes, we call that the Dream Batch. So if you are interested to join the Dream Batch, you have one chance, which is the Head Start exam. So if you are in 11th, if you are in 10th, if you are in 9th, you can write this exam, and if you clear it with a good score, you might get a very handsome scholarship. And guys, it might be a game changer, especially for those who are in 11th standard. So guys, please do check out the link. The video is there in our channel. Go and click on that Dream Batch and give the Head Start exam so that you can be mentored by some of the greatest teachers in the country. And I'm sure you guys can get into top ranks like below 500, below 100 with their training in just a year. Wouldn't that be amazing? So if you guys feel that you can be there among the toppers, then please go give that exam, the Head Start exam, and the video is there in our own channel, and do click on it. Okay. Hello Ankit, Bhavani, Shrivani, welcome. Jagadish, Alvar, Kavya, Aniket. So wonderful to see all of you guys. And shall we begin? So guys, this is the schedule for this week. So we had the marathon today. Tomorrow we'll have binomial theorem at 4 o'clock. Guys, this will be 4 o'clock. And then we'll have indefinite integration on Saturday. So I hope you guys are all noting it down and you are following it closely, because guys, we are giving our best, coming up with some of the greatest questions which has been asked in the exams of JEE Main. Okay, so make sure you are following the channel very closely and please put in some hard work from your side, because only listening will not take you far, but your hard work will matter. Yes, Dhanush, we will do that as well. Pakka. So this is the crash course plus CBSE course. Many of you are interested because now CBSE is also added. So CBSE exam is on May and we will teach you 107 CBSE sessions. Maths, physics, chemistry, complete coverage along with your JEE. Your JEE sessions will be 45 in number and we will cover the most important topics. So if you feel it is going to be 45 JEE great sessions plus 105 CBSE amazing ones. And if you are one student who is in need of it, then here we have an live interactive course offered by Vedantu. Please check it out, guys. Everybody. Okay? So you can ask doubts. If you are a student of this course, you will get free doubt solving in the Vedantu app. Okay? You guys can check it out. So guys, there is no reduction in JEE and NEET. There is no reduction in syllabus for JEE Mains and NEET. It will be full syllabus. It will be full syllabus. Okay? So guys, this is the price. Can you believe this? 9,600 for board exam, physics, chemistry, maths and JEE physics, chemistry, maths, along with 15 test series, full tests and 5 part tests, along with doubt solving, along with notes, along with assignments, all of that put together for a price of 9,600 is just mind-blowing, isn't it? It is an amazing deal. I hope you guys are noting it down. Click on the link right away which I have shared. Use this coupon code SJCC21, Shimon Joseph Crash Course 21, and that will give you a flat 20% off. Otherwise, it is 12,000. Okay? Yes, Chaitanya, I have promised you guys that I will do KVPY SA and SX. Both of them I will do. Yes, Dhanush. All the master classes keep running throughout the day. Hello, Ayana. Welcome. So guys, this is the Telegram group. I want everybody to be a part of the Telegram group so that you are informed of all the updates. We keep sharing all the news in the Telegram group, the homework questions, the PDF of all the sessions, the session updates, notification, everything is shared over here. So please click on the link in the description of every video. Every video of this channel will have a Telegram link. So just click on it and join us, okay? Yup. I will definitely help you out, Chaitanya. Don't worry about it. Great. Very good, Sumit. That is awesome, man. I like your attitude. You need to focus on your concepts. That's very good. Yes, Saurav, I do remember you. And yes, Aishwarya, we will get started. So guys, do subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel, because we love you guys and we want to see you again and again and again, like I always say. Otherwise, you guys will see me and go away. So don't do that. We would love to have you guys hang around for a long time. So please subscribe if you haven't, and do like the video in case you find it useful. Shirvani, I'm so sorry. I was replying to all the other doubts. I missed yours. Hello, Yashwant. Yes, Yashwant, I hope you liked the session yesterday. I think you got very confident after that. So, Shirvani, 2022 batch only, I'm telling Shirvani, we have the Head Start exam coming up. If you write that exam, you will get great scholarships to be a part of the dream team, the dream batch, which is a video in our channel. Check it out after this class. You might find it very useful because we are bringing some of the most experienced teachers in the country to help you crack your exams. Got it? It'll be your entire 11th portion, Kirito. Yes, Uncharted, slowly we will do that. Definitely, Kirito, we will do that. And Vanisha, yes, they will give you sheet. And yes, Sumit, that's awesome, man. I'm so happy that I was of help to you. That is what makes this job so interesting. Alrighty then, so let's get started, people. Here we go. So firstly, I'm going to start off with centers of a triangle. The last class, if you guys remember, we stopped with something called as your centroid. What is centroid? Can you guys quickly recap? Yes, Vignesh Bhaktavachalam, absolutely yes. So I'm going to teach you for your 2021 JEE Mains. So if you are excited, do stay and listen. But this is a 11th standard portion. So even if you're in 11th, I would recommend you to stay and watch it. Very good, Shakti. So centroid is nothing but the point of intersection of medians. So what is in center? Can anybody tell me correctly? What is in center? So centroid is what we saw in the last class. It is given by the symbol G. It is nothing but point of intersection of medians. And what is the position of centroid? It is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That is the position of your centroid when your vertices are given. What is x1, y1? Vertex A. x2, y2? Vertex B. x3, y3? Vertex C. So when your vertex are given to you, then you can find the position of your centroid by using this formula. A very easy piece of cake. Yes, Albert Einstein. Guys, please stick to the session and listen to these because I want to teach you guys. These are all the last minute preparation. I want you to be fully focused on the session, and only if you have a really important question, I will answer it. Shrivani, I will definitely talk to you about that. Just give me some time. I will teach you some stuff and then we will move to that. Okay? Yes. Nitish, right now don't think of dropping, man. It's a very big decision. Prepare for JEE Mains, try to do well, and then we will think about it. Hello Anisha, welcome. No problem Olivia, welcome. You guys are not late. This is the very first slide. So this is the position of your centroid, and centroid is nothing but point of intersection of medians. Now what is in center? In center is nothing but the point of intersection of what? Angle bisectors. What angle bisectors? Internal angle bisectors. So it is nothing but point of intersection of internal angle bisectors. No Shakti, that is not correct. Please be very careful. Very good evening Vasudev, welcome man. Everybody? Perfect. You guys are awesome. Brilliant. So now, if you have a triangle, how do I find the incenter? You draw the angle bisector of A, you draw the angle bisector of B, and you draw the angle bisector of C as well. So these three will meet at a point. Now this is called as your incenter. Are you all clear? Everybody? Now what is your incenter in alternative form? Is there any other way by which I can define my incenter? Can you guys think about it? Anybody? Because you guys have done it in your 10th standard. Aditya, that is indeterminate form. That is in limits chapter. Right now, don't worry about it. I will talk to you about it only when I teach limits. Got it? So everybody is saying, sir, what is the other way of defining incenter? Very good, Venisha. That is awesome. Venisha is giving me the right answer, what I expected from all of you. So incenter is nothing but center of the incircle. So I can draw a circle inside a triangle touching all the three sides. That is called as my incircle. The center of my incircle is nothing but my incenter. This is also another way of defining it. Are you all clear? Both are the same. So this incenter is also the angle bisector intersection. I hope you guys are clear about it. Everybody fine with it, guys? Did you all like it? So there are two ways in which you can define your incenter, and I hope you guys are clear with that. Yep. Now let's come to the formula, because this is a marathon session and we have to cover all the important stuff. I cannot go into the depths and details and derivations of everything, but what I tell you, if you learn and if you catch up, you can get the maximum score in your JEE Mains from this chapter. I will guarantee that. That I will guarantee. Okay, so please listen, take notes, and when I give you a question, you solve. Please keep the chat to a minimum, but when I'm free, I will respond to everybody because I love you guys and I want what is best for you. Okay, so right now what is best is you listen to me. Okay, so now what is incenter? So let us say you have A x1 y1, B x2 y2, and C x3 y3. So the side opposite to capital A is small a, the side opposite to capital B is small b, the side opposite to capital C is small c. So if these are the notations which are given, then in center of the triangle can be found out by this formula. Just make a note of it. What is small a? Side opposite to capital A. What is small b? Side opposite to capital B. What is small c? Side opposite to capital C. What is x1, x2, x3? x1 is the x coordinate of A, x2 is the x coordinate of B, x3 is the x coordinate of C, and so on. I hope you guys are clear. So shall we move to a question which uses this formula? Do you want to learn how to apply it? Do you want to learn how to apply it? If it is 3D, how will there be a triangle? Okay, then you're talking about a tetrahedron. Okay, Shakti, please be very clear about it. Circumcenter and incenter are the same? No, of course not. Incenter is the point of intersection of angle bisectors, whereas circumcenter is the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors. I will come to that, Saurav. Don't rush. Please wait for it. Definitely, Shrivani, please stay till the end. I will talk to you guys about what is the dream team, what is the dream batch, what is the head start exam, and what is the crash course that Vedantu is offering at mind-blowing costs. I'm going to talk about all these 4 things at the end of the session. So please wait for it. Don't worry. I will try to keep it concise today's session. So shall we move forward? Can I see some yo's and yeses in the chat? Can you guys give some thumbs up quickly? Very good, very good. So please remember this note as well. For an equilateral triangle, incenter and centroid are the same, because for an equilateral triangle, everything is the same. Your incenter, circumcenter, orthocenter, and your centroid, all of them are going to be the same. So that is a very common question. Yes, you are right, Shakti. This is something which they ask commonly in JEE Mains a few years back. Yes, Nishant, we will pick up speed. Yes, exactly, Nishant. We have to go a bit faster. You are right. Yes. I do agree, Nishant. So guys, just what I taught you, you can solve this question. Can you believe that? Just based on what I taught you, you guys can solve this question. That is why I say these marathon sessions are very important, because in a very short time, you are learning some of the best concepts of straight lines. So please do it, guys. Everybody try to solve it, complete it, and then we will move forward. Okay? So, any answers? Let me see. It will take a while, but try it out, because I have taught you some cool stuff, and I'm sure with what I taught, you guys will be able to solve something. Okay, Dhanush says, see, Jayaveera Kumar, hello, very warm welcome, Jayaveera Kumar. No problem, Arnav, take care of your health, that is more important. No problem, if you are feeling tired, you can watch the replay, no issue. Okay, tape phase, don't worry, I will solve it. Just check whether you thought about the same thing. And let me check who is right. Kirito, you'll have to check it. Aishwarya and Olivia, you guys are right. Because the answer is option D, I think, guys. I think the option is answer D. Very good, Uncharted. Very good. Brilliant. Superb, Arnav. We will do that today. So wait for it. So guys, what is this line? This line is 3x plus 4y equal to 24. So can I say it is nothing but x by 8 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. So can I say the x-intercept is 8, 0 and the y-intercept is 0, 6. Are you all okay with that? So it will be 0, 6 and 8, 0. So the line will be like this. So this is your triangle. OAB. OAB is your triangle, and you want to find the incenter of that. So you have to find this point. Are you all okay with that, everybody? Hello, Sankalp, Meshram, welcome. Everybody clear with that? So now we know that this side length is 6 units, this side length is 8 units, and this side is 10 because Pythagoras theorem. Because of Pythagoras theorem. I hope you guys are able to follow. So let me draw a very neat figure. So we have this as 8, 0, and we have this as 0, 6, and we have the origin as the third vertex, which is 0, 0. So this is length 6, this is length 8, this is length 10. So what is my, let's say this is A, this is O, and this is B. So I want to find incenter. So incenter of triangle OAB is equal to what? 8 into 0 plus 6 into 8, 48, 10 into 0 by 6 plus 8 plus 10. So 6 plus 8 plus 10 is 24, comma 8 into 6, 48, plus 10 into 0 plus 6 into 0 by 8 plus 6 plus 10 is 24. So answer is 2, 2. I hope you guys got that. How did I do that? How did I do that? I wrote, let's say, ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c. That is exactly what I did. So a into x1, so 8 into 0 plus b into x2, 6 into 8 plus c into x3, so 10 into 0, that is 48. Are you all clear? Everybody, did you guys understand the way I solved it? Now you all understand why it is option D. Any questions? Guys, everybody clear with it? Wonderful, na? So was it difficult? No problem, Dhanush. Aditya, Cengage is what I prefer. It's up to you. You have to check the books and see what do you like. Very good, Shrivani. Very good, Shakti, Kirito. Good job, guys. Good job. Thank you, Venkata Rohit. I'm so happy that you are enjoying it. Okay, great. So let's move forward. Rate this question. This is a moderate question. I would say it is somewhere in between easy to moderate. It is somewhere in between easy to moderate. I wouldn't say it's a tough question. Exactly. Venisha is right. So the moral of the story is remember the incenter formula. Otherwise, say bye-bye to this question and lose 4 marks. Okay. So the next concept which I want to teach all of you is the concept of area of triangle. I'm sure everybody remembers this. Do you all remember the area of triangle? So whenever you have a triangle having A, B and C as the vertices, and your A is given as x1, y1, your B is given as x2, y2, and your C is given as x3, y3, then the area of your triangle delta is given as half into, you can write it as determinant or you can expand it directly. So I would say go for the determinant, that is easy. It will be x1, y1, 1. x2, y2, 1 and x3, y3, 1. But after the determinant, you have to put a modulus. You have to put a modulus, okay? Why modulus? Because area cannot be negative. Because area cannot be negative. Are you all fine with that? Yes, Kirito, area is half into base into height, but I'm talking about the area when your vertices are given. This is how you find it out. Are you all cool with it? So shall we move forward? Hello Abdul, welcome man. Great. Very good, Karan. That's awesome. So guys, if area is 0, if the area of a triangle is 0, then what can I say? If the area of a triangle is 0, what can I say? If area is 0, that means, do you all agree it is a flat triangle? Do you all agree if area is 0, it will be a flat triangle. It will be like puppet. Okay. So now it will be just a straight line. So that is what we say, it is collinear. So when your area of triangle is 0, it is going to be collinear points. Okay. Are you all clear with it, guys? Okay, Olivia. So you need to remember it. I'm glad we are discussing it now. So Venisha is asking, sir, how do I open this? Venisha, you know how to open cross product of two vectors, right? Just use the same thing. Got it? Okay, so let us move forward. Thank you, Tape Face. So this is the professor from Money Heist. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out. So now we have the ortho center. So guys, what is ortho center? Can you all let me know quickly? Ortho center is nothing but the point of intersection of altitudes. The point of intersection of altitudes. Okay. So what do I mean by altitudes? So from the vertex, I will drop a perpendicular to the opposite side. That is called as altitude. I hope you're all clear with it. So from B, again I'll drop an altitude. So that will be the second altitude. From C, again I can drop an altitude. That will be the third altitude. So this point is called as your ortho center, which is usually denoted by H or O. It can be either denoted by H or O. That is what we call as the ortho center. I hope you guys are clear. Everybody? Yes. So this is a formula for the ortho center when your vertices are given and when you know all the angles. Tan A is nothing but tan of the angle A. Tan B is nothing but tan of the angle B. And tan C is nothing but tan of the angle C. But guys, it is never used. It is never used. I have never used it ever while solving JEE Mains questions. Exactly. So what I would recommend is, if you want to find the equation or if you want to find the vertices of ortho center, what I will do is, I will get this altitude. Sir, how do I get this altitude, sir? Can you guys tell me how to get equation of AD? Equation of AD is equal to, can I say y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1? So what will be m of AD? M of AD, can I say, is equal to minus 1 by m of BC. So can I get this? So can I get the equation of AD? Can I get it, guys? Please let me know. Can I get the equation of AD? Everybody please tell me. Yes. So can I get the equation of CE? Everybody can get the equation of CE. Same way. So how do you get equation of CE? Equation of CE is nothing but y minus y3 is equal to m into x minus x3. So here m is AD, right? So m of C is what? M of C is equal to minus 1 by m of AB. So with that I can get both these line equations. So if I solve them, I will get the ortho center. That is how I prefer doing it. That is how I prefer doing it. This is the way you have to do for ortho center. I would not recommend this. This is just for your general knowledge. This is just for your general knowledge. Are you all clear with it? Shivani, the best way to remember is not to memorize, but to solve questions and revise constantly. So revise after every 2 days, every 3 days, every 4 days. So like that, you get better at it. Don't by heart it in one go. Practice, revise. That's the best way to do it. Okay? Then why they gave, just in case you get one question, what can we say? I don't determine what JEE Mains thinks, right? So in case it comes, you should not say that Shimon sir did not teach me. That is why I couldn't solve. So that is why I've given you. So please use it. So shall we move forward? Let's go for it, guys. Come on, please solve it. This is one question I want everybody to try. Please do it. Fatafat, guys. Come on. Sir, it's one shot. You make it 2 shot. Because I don't have power, man. I can't take for 4 hours like all the other superheroes out there. If I take for 4 hours, I will take 4 days leave. So I can't afford that. So that is why I'm doing 2 videos. Got it? Once I get power, I will take 4 hours continuously. I'll make it 1 shot. Hello Virat, welcome man. Very nice to see you. Okay, so let's try to solve it. Nishant says option A. So Nishant, that is very good speed and we will solve it together, guys. Come on. So what is A? A is minus 1, 7. What is B? B is nothing but minus 7, 1 and your C is 5, minus 5. So can you guys get the slope of BC? Slope of BC is equal to what? Y2 minus Y1, which is 6, by X2 minus X1, which is minus 1 by 2. And what is slope of AC? slope of AC is equal to y2 minus y1, 12 by x2 minus x1, which is minus 2. Is that correct? So can I say slope of BE is going to be how much? It's going to be half. And what is slope of AD? Slope of AD is going to be 2. So equation of AD is what? AD is going to be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And equation of BE is equal to what? Is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So solve these two, get the answer, and you are done. Was this easy? So this is the way to do it. If anybody has a doubt, feel free to ask. Hello Anand, welcome man. Anish, yes, we will do all chapters. Please do wait for it guys, but I will pakka do everything. Very good Anisha. I think you guys are all right because option A seems to be the right answer. Look at the question. This is a JEE Main 2020 question and we have some of our 10th standard, 11th standard students answering it. So that is amazing, na? That is amazing. Okay, very good Jayavira Kumar. That is awesome. And what is BE? Someone is asking, sir, can you please tell me how you got BE? So BE is 1 point slope form. So I got 1 point y minus y1. This is the y1 value is equal to m. M is slope of B. Slope of B is minus 1 by slope of AC. Slope of AC is minus 2, na? So minus 1 by minus 2 is 1 by 2. So that is the slope of BE into x minus x1. So x minus of minus 7 is x plus 7. That's how I did it. I hope you guys got it. Harini, I think you are the one who asked it, right? Harini, I hope I explained it. If you have any doubt, let me know. Otherwise, we'll move forward. Harita, I'm sorry. Yes, very good Harita. That's perfect. So Nishant, please wait man. I think you're very fast. But don't worry Nishant, I will help you also. Okay, I'll move faster. But I want all of us to grow together because we are one big family. Okay, so let's move forward guys. And this one is a bigger question. Do you want to solve it now? It's a very big question. Okay, give it a try. Let's do it. It's okay. It's a marathon, right? Let's do for longer time. Please do it guys. It's a good question. This is a good question. Hello Amy Chowdhury, welcome. Very nice to see you. Great Abhinav. Yes Saurav, please solve it. Will you complete circle, hyperbola, parabola, ellipse or only straight lines? This is just straight lines. If time permits, I will do all of them because Venisha marathon it's weekly one session. So I want to focus on only the most important chapters. So I'm planning to do straight lines. I'm planning to do chapters like mathematical reasoning and statistics, which can be done in one shot and which can get you 4 marks, Venisha. So those I will do. And I want to do functions as well and trigonometry. So these are the topics which I'll do marathon. Apart from this, others I will do it as JEE sprint sessions. Very good. You guys are super fast. Lightning quick. Hello Shriram. Welcome Shriram. So nice to see you. Ayana, Olivia, Shakti, Shivani. You guys are all right, I guess. Let's check it. Many of you are saying D, so I think it should be right. Olivia, KVPY essay, I will let you know the books a bit later. For now, please listen carefully. So firstly, Olivia, what is area of triangle? Area of triangle is half into x1, y1, 1, and then you have x2, y2, 1, and then you have x3, y3, 1. And that is equal to plus or minus 28. Why plus or minus 28? Because modulus of this is 28. So when I remove the modulus, I will get plus or minus 28. Are you guys okay with that? Hello Sonali Verma. Welcome. Great to have you. Very good Sivarao. That is awesome Sivarao. Everybody is cool with that? So can you guys get me what is the value of k? Can you guys get me what is the value of k? Everybody. Please solve it. Go for it. Tell me what is the value of your k. Do that. Okay, that is awesome. Shivani has given me the equation itself. That is great, Shivani. What about others? K is equal to 2. Did everybody get that? Venisha, do you know how to open it? So Venisha, can I take this 2 to the other side? So if I take this 2 to the other side, I will get 28 into 2. So that will be 56. So this I will open it in this fashion. K into K minus 2 minus of minus 3K into I'll get 5 plus K. And then I'll get plus 1 times of 10 minus of minus K square. It will be 10 plus K square, Venisha. And that is equal to plus or minus 56. Are you guys able to understand that? Everybody? Everybody cool with that? Everybody is cool with this? Brilliant, brilliant. So that is how you open a determinant, Venisha. I hope you are able to follow. Just like how we do cross product of vectors. That is why I keep saying that. So now when you solve this, which I'm not going to do because it will take a lot of time, you will get K to be 2 comma minus 23 by 5. So I choose this value because K is an integer. This is not an integer, so I go for K equal to 2. So if K equal to 2, what are my vertices? My vertices are 2 comma minus 6, 5 comma 2, and I will have minus 2 comma 2. So that will be the vertices of my triangle. Now the slope of this is equal to 0 under, and the slope of this is equal to what? y2 minus y1, 8 by x2 minus x1, this will be minus 2. So the slope perpendicular will be 1 by 2 and the slope perpendicular here will be infinity. So what is the equation? Can you guys think about it? If slope is infinity, then your what? X coordinate is constant. So AD equation is equal to, equation of AD is x equal to 2. Equation of BE is what? Equation of BE is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now put x equal to 2 over here. If I put x equal to 2, I will get what? Y minus 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So y is equal to 1 by 2. So y is half, x is 2. That is the answer, and that is nothing but option D. Is that clear to everybody? Is that clear to everybody? Very good, Shriram. Nishant, are you able to get it? Are you guys enjoying the way we solve it? Very good, Karthik. That's awesome. Calculation lengthy, but alwa. Exactly, Nishant. I'm so happy that you got it. So let us move forward. Very good, Venkata. Very good, Tanka Kenal. You guys are the best, man. You guys are awesome. So let's move forward. Now, all these solutions are given to you because I know some of you follow the session PDF, which is given in the Telegram group. So for those guys, I have given the detailed solution. So go through it later on. Now coming to the last center. Now everybody will be like, sir, how many centers, sir? Circumcenter, in-center, ortho-center. My life is revolving around center only. So guys, don't worry. This is the last center and I will move forward. Other than finding the altitudes. So Anisha, I hope you are getting it. Amy Chowdhury, please pull the video back, watch it and come back. Okay? Please pull the video back because if I do that, Amy, it will take a lot of time. I hope you understand. And now, Harita, the link will be given in the description of this video. Just below the description of my video, you will have it. So, Sriram asked a very good question, which nobody asked. Sir, other than finding altitudes, is there any other way of finding orthocenter? Yes, there is one very short way, but that is a special case. And I'm sure you must be knowing it. So, if you have a right angle triangle, Sriram, the orthocenter is the right angled vertex. So, if you have a triangle ABC, Sriram, the orthocenter is the right angled vertex. So here B is nothing but your orthocenter. I hope you guys got it. Yup. Everybody clear with it? Great. Shirvani, I am sure you will achieve it. Please work hard and prepare hard for it. Great, great, great. So I will tell you lots of such shortcuts. Please wait for it. Now what is circumcenter? Circumcenter is nothing but the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors. Perpendicular bisectors. Now many of you have a doubt. Sir, what is perpendicular bisector? What is altitude? Aren't both the same, sir? What are you telling? If they are both the same, then why will we have two centers, man? Why will we have orthocenter and circumcenter? They are obviously different. So how are they different? I'm going to teach you. So listen carefully. So how do you drop an altitude? How do you draw an altitude? Draw an altitude from the vertex onto the opposite side. This is called as altitude. Everybody got it? This is called as altitude. Everybody clear with this? Now, perpendicular bisector means I will draw with respect to BC, I will take the midpoint. I will take the midpoint, and from the midpoint, I will draw a line perpendicular to BC. Now that is my perpendicular bisector. Are you guys clear with it? So this is perpendicular bisector. Altitudes are dropped from the vertex. Got it? So I hope you guys understood the difference. Altitudes will pass through the vertex. Perpendicular bisectors need not. So this is one perpendicular bisector. And let's say this is another perpendicular bisector. And let's say this is another perpendicular bisector. So this is your circumcenter. Are you all clear with that? So circumcenter is given by this formula, and as usual we will not use this. It is just for general knowledge. It is just for your general knowledge. So what is the other way of defining circumcenter? Circumcenter is nothing but the center of the circle passing through all the three vertices. The center of the circle passing through all the three vertices is called as my circumcenter. So incenter is center of inscribed circle. Circumcenter is center of the circumscribed circle. Got it? I hope everybody is able to understand that. So shall we move forward, people? Are you all up for it? The radius of this circle is called as the circumradius, which is given by capital R. And with that only you have the sine rule, right? I'm sure everybody knows the sine rule. Sine A by A is equal to sine B by B is equal to 1 by 2R. So this 2R, R is nothing but your circumradius. That comes in solution of triangle. Don't worry about it. For now, if you guys are clear with this, let's move forward. Now, Saurav is asking, sir, how will they ask questions in JEE Main, sir? Because this formula is not used, you are telling. Then perpendicular bisector, if I find, then I will use half my time in that question only. So that is going to be a long way. Just like your orthocenter, where we find out equation of altitude and we find out the orthocenter, you can also do that over here. You can find out perpendicular bisector equation and then you can find out the point of intersection. Everybody clear? That will give you circumcenter coordinates. Everybody clear with that? Exactly. You are right, Sriram. So what Sriram told is also right. Circumcenter will be equidistant from all the three vertices. Because it is center of the circle passing through the three vertices. So distance of circumcenter to all the vertices will be equal to circumradius. So all the three distances are equal. That is one way of solving it, because you can assume it to be alpha beta and you can solve it by taking distance formula. So that is the way to do it. I hope you are all clear. Everybody? So now, what is the special technique? What are the special questions which can come from JEE Mains? I will teach you that also. The special case is, of course, your right angle triangle. If you have a right angle triangle, we know that your orthocenter is B, your circumcenter will be the midpoint of hypotenuse. Why is it the midpoint of hypotenuse? Because if you have a right angle triangle, the circumcircle will pass through all the three vertices, And since it is right angle, AC is the diameter. If AC is the diameter, then the midpoint of the diameter is the circumcenter. So midpoint of diameter is nothing but midpoint of hypotenuse. So for a right angle triangle, the midpoint of hypotenuse is your circumcenter. Is it amazing? So this is what usually JEE Mains will ask. Because solving this might take a lot of time, but this is going to be very easy. But you need to figure out whether it is a right angle triangle or not. Did you guys like that? Everybody? Very good, Sriram. That's absolutely right. All of you cool with it? Very interesting, na? So these are some of the coolest tricks which can happen. The other trick is the obvious equilateral triangle. If it is equilateral triangle, then centroid, incenter, circumcenter, orthocenter, everything is the same. Okay, but equilateral triangle is very obvious. So JEE Mains, I don't think it will give you that easy question. But this one is good. Right angle triangle, they can ask you. So first you need to figure out whether the triangle is right angle. And once you figure out it's a right angle, then the orthocenter will be, it will be at the point B, and your circumcenter will be the midpoint of hypotenuse. Okay? Yes, you can do that, tape face. You can get the midpoint, then find the equation of perpendicular bisector, get the midpoint here, find the equation of perpendicular bisector, solve them, get the circumcenter. That is also fine, but why do you want to do it by such a long way when you have such a cool method? So this cool method is applicable only for a right angle triangle. If you don't have a right angle triangle, then go for this one. Okay. So guys, everybody, now Venetia, yes, Olivia, I will move to the next concept. Don't worry, because I have a lot of cool stuff, a lot of new things planned for you in this session. So please wait for it. Now Venetia is giving me a good idea. I will discuss the ONGC concept. Very important. So guys, in a triangle, the orthocenter, the centroid and the circumcenter will lie along the same straight line. In any triangle, the orthocenter, centroid and circumcenter will lie on a straight line, and that straight line is called as the golden highway of the triangle. I am so happy that Anisha remembers that. This straight line now guys, it is called as the golden highway of a triangle. Okay, you can also call it as Euler's line. You can also call it as Euler's line. What Euler, sir? You are saying Euler as Euler. Guys, in India we pronounce it as Euler, but the right way to call it is Euler. Okay, so it is Euler's line or golden highway of a triangle. Both are fine. So it is just general knowledge, but now let me come to the important stuff. What is important for your JEE Mains? So the centroid will divide orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. And guys, let me tell you, this is some of the most important property in straight lines. Almost every year I've seen this question coming again and again. Okay, everybody clear with it? Yes, Shreya, I will do that, Shreya. So now, how will I remember this ratio? That is why I termed it as ONGC rule. What is ONGC? ONGC is just a shorthand notation, and I gave it because it is a very famous company in India, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Very big company in India. Some of you may know that. So here ON stands for orthocenter, G stands for centroid, C stands for circumcenter. So ON has two letters, so 2 is the ratio. Circumcenter has one letter, so 1. So that is why 2:1 is the ratio. I hope you guys got it. So that is the short technique to remember this. So if you have understood it, shall we move forward? No tape phase, 9-point center, pedal triangle, I don't think is needed right now. If you guys are clear with this, it's good enough. So shall we move forward, people? Everybody? Yes, Bhargav, it will cover almost every important topic, but I would still recommend you to go through some of the lectures which I have taken. So let's move forward, people. We have a lot to cover. Angle between two straight lines. So let us say you have two straight lines. Let's say you have y equal to m1x plus c and we have y is equal to m2x plus c. So I want to understand the angle between them. The angle between these two straight lines is given by tan theta is equal to modulus of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. So now since I am taking modulus, this theta will be acute angle. So whatever angle you are finding, that is going to be the acute angle between the straight lines, and this is the obtuse angle which is between the straight lines. That will be pi minus theta. Are you guys cool with that, everybody? Now whenever the slopes are equal, they are said to be parallel, and whenever the slope product is equal to -1, they are said to be perpendicular. Because if they are equal, tan theta is 0, so numerator should be 0. If they are perpendicular, tan theta is infinity, so your denominator should be 0 and your m1, m2 should be -1. I hope you guys are clear with that. So that is how these come, and I'm sure most of you are aware of it. So shall I move forward? Everybody, shall we move forward, guys? Great. So let us move forward to the next one. Please try to solve it. It's a very, very interesting question, guys. Very interesting question. You have a straight line which passes through the point 3, -2, and it is inclined at an angle of 60 degree to this line. So first of all, figure out what is the slope of this line. The slope of this line is what? Slope of this line is -√3. So that will be equal to how much? That will be equal to 120 degree, na? So tan theta will be tan of 120 degree. So our line will make an angle of 60 degree with this. So tan 60 is equal to modulus of m minus √3, m minus of minus √3 by 1 plus m into -√3. Okay, so when you solve this, you will get two values of m. Figure out that value and you know one point through which it passes, you will get the answer. As simple as that. Are you all clear with that? Very good, guys. Brilliant. Yes, Olivia, I will give you guys a 1-minute break. Pakka. How many times you solve problems? Shivani, I used to solve a lot of assignment sheets. Okay. So I did a lot of assignment sheets, and that is why I was able to get some confidence. That is what you also have to look for. Initially, while learning a concept, you need to do Cengage or Arihant or your coaching material. And once you are clear with the concept, then you can get better at it by solving some more questions. And that is where your assignments will come in. So whenever you are part of an institute, they will give you good assignments. Na? Your teacher will support you with assignments. So those assignments will make you better. And then previous year's questions, and then test series, and then competing with your good friends, like the ones who are preparing very hard, right? So that will be a very huge push for you. That is what made me get better. I am sure it might work for you as well. Okay, so try to implement it, see if it works. Hello Sugdha, welcome. No problem, Sugdha. Dhanush, why not, man? In Vedantu's online classes, we have great competition, man. Really, Sam? Yes, I know Allu Arjun, of course. So let us move forward, guys. Are you all done with this? So tan 60 is what? Tan 60 is √3. So √3 is equal to m plus √3 by 1 minus √3m. So if I remove the modulus, I'll put plus or minus. Can you guys tell me what is the m? What is the m value? Can you guys please let me know? Everybody, you will get m to be √3. Are you all sure with it? Are you all sure about it? M will be √3. Can I check it? Okay, yes, it works. I think m is equal to √3 works. So you guys can use that and get the answer. Done. M is equal to √3 and m is equal to 0. Yes, that's correct. So these are the two values and it has to pass through 3 comma minus 2. So the two lines are y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is one line. And the other line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So these are the two lines. Check it which one is the right one and get the answer. I think the right one will be option B if I'm not wrong. Is that correct, guys? Everybody? So shall I move forward? That's amazing, Shakti. I'm sure you're having a great time. So people, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, I will move forward to the next question. Great, great, great. So let us move ahead and see what else we have in store for you all. Now, Arnav was waiting for it. Equation of bisectors. So this is something which is again very important and I want you guys to take very good notes over here. So please listen carefully, guys. Okay. So what is equation of angle bisectors? So let's say you have two lines. So let's say you have line L1 and you have line L2. So when you have two lines like this, you can have angle bisectors in between them. No problem, Olivia, take care. I hope you will get better and you'll again come back happier. Yes, Arnav. So guys, please listen carefully. Now, when you have two lines like that, so let's say you have one line like this, one line like this. So this is the angle between them. So if I bisect this angle, then this line is called as the angle bisector. But wait a minute, I can also have one more angle bisector which can bisect the obtuse angle also. So there are two angle bisectors possible, which is your acute angle bisector and your obtuse angle bisector. Are you guys clear with it? So there are two angle bisectors whenever there are two lines intersecting. So we want to understand how to find out the equation of angle bisectors. Now what is the property of angle bisector? The property of angle bisector is, let me draw two lines and explain it to you. So let us say this is my angle bisector. So if I take a point P from the angle bisector, can I say this angle is equal to this angle? Now I will drop a perpendicular from P onto both the lines. So this is line L1, this is line L2. So from P, I am dropping perpendicular to both the lines. So can I say this angle is same for both of them? One side is common and it is right angle. So can I say RHS, right angle hypotenuse, can I say it is congruent? Everybody? Can I say it is congruent? These two triangles. What are the two triangles? OAP and OBP. Both are congruent. So can I say PA is equal to PB? So what is angle bisector? It is nothing but the locus of points which are equidistant from both the lines. So which are equidistant from both the lines. So let us take the point P to be x comma y. So distance of point P from line 1. Line 1 I will take it as a1x plus b1y plus c equal to 0. And line 2 I will take it as a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So what is distance of point P from line 1? It is nothing but a1x plus b1y plus c1 divided by root of a1 square plus b1 square. Now that should be equal to point P distance from line 2, which will be a2x plus b2y plus c2 divided by root of a2 square plus b2 square. So that is your locus of points equidistant from the two lines, and that will give you the angle bisector equation. Because if I remove the modulus, I will get a1x plus b1y plus c1 by root of a1 square plus b1 square is equal to minus of a2x plus b2y plus c2 divided by root of a2 square plus b2 square. Got it? So this is the equation of your angle bisector. One will give you acute angle bisector, one will give you obtuse angle bisector. But we don't know which one is what. Because there are two angle bisectors, I don't know which one is acute angle bisector, which one is obtuse angle bisector. For that, I explained a method in my straight lines lectures. Please watch that. I hope this is clear, everybody. So shall we try to put it forward in a question? Shall we try to put it forward in a question? We will learn how to apply it. Are you all ready for it? So let's learn to apply it in a question. Here we go. Please do it right now, guys. I want everybody to solve it. Maximum participation is what I want. Everybody, please do it right now. Hello, Pappu Kumar. Welcome, man. Shrinu has answered it. Very good, Shrinu. That's very quick. Let me check it whether it is right or wrong. Benchmark test is Olivia for joining the dream team, the dream batch in which you will be mentored by some of the best teachers in the country. So they are all very experienced teachers who have produced toppers, all India top ranks, and they are coming to help you in Vedantu. So if you want to enter that batch, you need to give the benchmark test or the Head Start exam. Very good. Hello VRP, welcome. So guys, the right answer for this question, I think it is option C. Your friends may be right. So we will check it. So we want to find out the angle bisector of ABC. So A is here, which is -1, -7. And B is here, which is 5, 1. And C is here, which is 1, 4. So guys, we want to find out the angle bisector of ABC. So I want to find this angle bisector. Got it? So now please listen carefully. I want to know what is the equation of AB and BC. Do you all agree? So first equation of AB I need to find. How do I find that out? Y minus Y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, and equation of BC is what? Equation of BC is nothing but y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So now just solve both of them and get the equation. You will get what? 3y plus 21 is equal to 4x plus 4. So I'll get 4x minus 3y is equal to 17. And from here, what will you get? From here, I'll get 4y minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 15. So I'll get 3x plus 4y is equal to 19. So these are the two lines, 3x plus 4y equal to 19. Are you all cool with that, everybody? So shall I erase it? So I've got the two line equations. I just need to find out what is the equation of angle bisector joining both of them. So how do I do that? It is nothing but 4x minus 3y minus 17 by 5 is equal to plus or minus 3x plus 4y minus 19 by 5. So this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled, and now you will get two equations. You guys can solve it. Okay? Yes. Yes, yes, absolutely Uncharted. You are still the legend of shortcuts, man. You are still the legend of shortcuts. Lord Uncharted is back. Great. Hello Shreya, welcome. Pappu, please try to rewind it back and then you will be able to follow it. Don't worry. Okay. Hello Ashton. Ashton, what I did here was, you have triangle ABC now. We want to find out the angle bisector of your angle ABC. So this angle bisector we want to find. So just now I taught you a method of how to find it out. So for that you need to know the equation of AB, you need to know the equation of BC. So I first found out the line equation AB because you are given the coordinates. And I found out the line equation BC because you are given the coordinates of B and C. Once you find these two, I just used the method which I taught you just now. If you are coming right now, please rewind it. Just pull the video back and then watch it again. You will be able to understand. Okay? So Anirudh, it depends from person to person. I would always start off with the easiest subject. That's it. On that day, what is easy for you, pick up that subject first and do it. Very good, Harita. Hello, Shreya. So wonderful to see you back again. Elakya Shri, welcome. Yes, Elakya, please tell me. It is going to be similar, but you will get various scholarship, Olivia, if you write the test. Hello, Vishnu Dev. Welcome, Vishnu Dev. So guys, let's move forward to the next question, which is the condition for concurrency of three straight lines. So what is concurrency? So whenever you have three straight lines, let's say 1, 2, 3, these three straight lines can pass through a single point or they need not. For example, you can have 1, 2 and 3. So three straight lines need not always pass through a single point. But if they pass through a single point, then they are called as concurrent lines. Then they are called as concurrent lines. So what is the condition for concurrency? Can anybody tell me? The condition for concurrency is when you have three straight lines. So let's say this is line L1, this is line L2, this is line L3. Then the condition for concurrency is given by this particular determinant over here. This determinant should be 0. Exactly, this determinant should be 0. That is the shortcut method, but the understanding I will tell you, listen carefully. So let us say this point is A comma B. So if they are concurrent, what I will do is I will solve these two lines and they will give me a point of intersection, because these are two straight lines and I can obviously solve two straight lines and I can get the point of intersection. If that point of intersection satisfies the third equation, then they are concurrent. So that is the understanding conceptual way, but shortcut way with the formula is your determinant. I hope you guys are clear. Very good, Jenny, Janita. That's awesome. I hope you're enjoying the session. Hello, Shankar. Welcome, man. Great, Elakya. Very good, Elakya. Aishwarya, long time. I was missing you in the chat. So everybody clear with this? Shall we try to solve a question based on it? Everybody? So here we go, people. Please solve it. What is the condition you get when these three straight lines are concurrent? This is a very, very old question. It was before I was even born. That means it's very old. So ancient question. Please solve it. Let's see if it is doable or if it is easy. Exactly. Please try to solve it, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Shrivani, you can do that as well. Good. Yup. Yes, we do study that Blue Spark. So we study that in the form of planes, because when you go to 3 dimension, you don't have lines. Instead of lines, you have planes, right? So we do study how 3 planes can interact. They can interact along a line, they can interact along a point. So there are various good visualizations available online. Check it. So everybody is saying C. Shrivani says B. Hello. Exactly, Olivia. You liked it. Great. Very good, Venisha. Guys, I think the answer is C. Elakya. Very good, Elakya. Uncharted. Ashton. You guys are awesome. Yes, Saurav. I do remember you, man. Of course. Hello, Chandan. Welcome, man. Very nice to see you, Chandan. So, guys, the answer is option C. The answer is option C. Because what is the determinant you get? You will get PQR. You will get QRP and you are going to get RP cube, and that is equal to 0 because they are concurrent. They are concurrent. So if you open that, what will you get? If you open this, you will get P cube plus Q cube plus R cube minus 3PQR is equal to 0, which implies P plus Q plus R is equal to 0 or P equal to Q equal to R. I hope you guys remember it. You studied it in your 10th standard. You studied this relation in your 10th standard, right? Identity, algebraic identities. So that's exactly what I did. Very good, Shankar. I see a lot of people have registered for the HAT G11 exam. Definitely you guys should check it out. It is available in the video present in the channel. Go and register for it. All those who are studying in 10th standard, all those who are studying in 11th standard, it is a golden opportunity for you guys to study under the best teachers, the best teachers in India. Okay? So shall we move forward, people? Are you all ready for the next one? Everybody, shall I move forward? Did you all get the concept? Jenny, Jenisha? Yes, 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 Shravani. Very good, guys. Yes, Nishant. Nishant is still saying, sir, go fast. Definitely. Very good, Shankar. Please try to do well. I'm sure you can. So now we will look at the concept of family of straight lines. This is also a very important concept, something which Arnav asked me. So guys, this is very important, so please pay attention. And Shravani, like I said, I will inform you guys about the HAT G exam. So wait for it. Just a few more minutes. Once we are done with the syllabus, straight lines, then I'll do it. Okay? So shall we get started, guys? Are you all excited, people? Come on. Let me see some action in the chat. Can I see some thumbs up? Can I see some yo's in the chat? Quickly. Everybody, please tell me. Yup. Okay, that is the spirit, guys. That is exactly what I wanted. You guys are all you guys are all listening to me. Venisha is like, sir, please continue. End it soon, sir. I want to go. Okay, Venisha. Yes, we will do it, guys. Please listen carefully. Yes. You are right, Shravani. So, guys, family of straight line means, let's say you have two straight lines. Let's say you have line L1 and you have line L2. Now, I want to understand what is the equation of line passing through the intersection of these two lines. I want to find the equation of any random line. I want to find the equation of any random line passing through the intersection of it. So this L3 I want to find. So when you have a situation like that, L3 can be given as L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. So this lambda can be any real number. It can be 1, 0, minus 1, root 3, minus root 3, whatever you want. Lambda can be that value. So that is why infinitely many such L3. Because I can have infinitely many such lambda. So as I keep getting values of lambda, I will keep getting so many different lines L3. So if you want a unique L3, you need to get a unique lambda, and for that you need some other additional condition, which they will give you in the question. Got it? Everybody clear with that? Are you guys clear with that? All of you? So shall I proceed? So this is how you find out family of straight lines. So if you are given L1 as this and L2 as this, then your L3, which is a line passing through the intersection of the two lines, will be given by this formula. L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. Everybody clear? Very good, Dhanush. Brilliant. Now Ashton is asking, sir, can you please teach me foot of perpendicular? Yes, I will do that. So Ashton, so let us say you have a line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. So on this line, you have one point P outside x1 comma y1, and you drop a perpendicular from P onto this, and let's call this point as Q, which is alpha comma beta. So this Q, Ashton, is called as the foot of perpendicular from P onto this straight line. This Q alpha comma beta is called as the foot of perpendicular from P onto this line. Lambda can take any value, Shravani. That is why I said infinite values, because through two line intersection I can draw infinitely many straight lines. I can draw many. So that is why I said there are infinitely many L3s passing through the intersection of two lines. Got it? Yep. So now if you want to find out, Ashton, when you have ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and you drop a perpendicular onto this line from the point P x1 comma y1, and you want to find the foot of perpendicular alpha comma beta, you will use this formula. Alpha minus x1 by a is equal to beta minus y1 by b is equal to minus of a alpha, ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of, not root of, it is just root a square plus b square. So that is your formula for foot of perpendicular. I hope you guys got it. So if you want image of a point, just replace this. So let's say the image of P is P dash. Let's say gamma comma delta. Then gamma minus x1 by a is equal to delta minus y1 by b is equal to same thing, but put minus 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. So this is image of a point P. This is foot of perpendicular of a point P on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. I hope you guys got it, everybody. Yep, I almost slipped. So shall I move forward? You guys are clear with it? Nishant, Ajay Kumar, Ashton, Shravani. Yes, people, these are all very simple stuff, just formulas. Write it down, use it in questions, and you guys will get better. Very good. That is awesome. So let us move forward, guys, to the next one. Please try to solve it and then we will discuss it. Go for it, guys. Come on. All of you try to do this question quickly. Hello, Megatronics, welcome. Ram Jabakumar, welcome, man. I'm good with formula and concept, but even though I'm not able to solve some questions, you need more practice, Megatronics. Try to take out your Cengage book, solve questions after questions after questions, you will get better at it. This is a nice one. Please try to solve it, guys. It will teach you a lot of good information. Olivia, I thought you took full break because I thought you were down. Yes, I will give you guys a 1 or 2 minute break. You guys can ask me questions. We can have a small chit chat and then we can continue with the session. Aki Agarwal is saying, sir, it is option 1. Hello, Uday Kiran. Welcome, guys. Ashton says B. Shakti says C. So all 3 options are covered. Does anybody want to take D? Poor D is left out. Guys, come on, please. Check it, solve it and tell me one answer. Now everybody is telling A, B, C. Venisha says C, okay. Now C is having a lot of traction. A lot of people are choosing C. So let's check whether C is correct. Okay, great. Oh, Olivia, you are relaxing. Great. Okay, Shakti, that's great. No Megatronics after the class, man, mostly. Very good, Harita. So guys, I think option C is correct. So let's check it. Many are saying option C, so I assume you guys have done well. So first of all, can I write this as x plus y plus lambda times 2x minus y plus 1? Did you guys understand that? Can I rewrite that in this fashion? Are you all okay with that? I just opened the bracket. I just opened the bracket. Are you guys clear with it, everybody? Yup. No problem, Dhanush. It's fine. You can watch the replay or you can watch it tomorrow as well. Everybody clear with it? So now this is my line L1 and this is my line L2. So basically it is nothing but the family of lines passing through the intersection of these two. So this is line L1, this is line L2, and we have some intersection point. How do I find the intersection point? I need to solve x plus y equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So if I solve them, what will I get? I will get x is equal to minus 1 by 3 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Is that correct? Everybody? So that is your x and y. So that is your point of intersection. Minus 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Now we want to find the line belonging to this family at a maximum distance of 1 comma 4. So let's say 1 comma 4 is here. So if I want a line in this family at a maximum distance from 1 comma 4, then that line, okay, by mistake I erased it. My bad. I have to draw it all again. Very, very bad. That's a bad move. Okay, so this point is what? Minus 1 comma 3 comma 1 comma 3. And let's say you have a point 1 comma 4. And you want to find a member of this family which is at the farthest distance from your 1 comma 4. So how will you find out that member? That member will be perpendicular to the line joining this point of intersection and this given point. Very good method. So that line will be passing through this point and perpendicular to the line joining them. So it will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, and where your m is given as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that is your slope, which will be what? I think it's 11 by 4, right? 3 minus of minus 1, 4. So 11 by 4 is the slope. I hope I didn't do it wrong. Please check it and confirm it, guys. 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 by 3, and denominator is 4 by 3. Yeah, that's correct. Everybody clear with it? Did you guys like it? Everybody? All of you, shall we move forward? Great. So guys, any doubts here? Everybody is fine now? Good question. I hope you like the concept. So the line farthest from the point is the one belonging to this family and perpendicular to the line joining these 2 points. That concept, please don't forget it. It's a very, very good concept. Great, Aki Agarwal. That's awesome. The answer is, we'll solve it now. Just solve it. You'll get 3y minus 1 is equal to m is what? 11 by 4 into x plus 1 by 3, which will be 3x plus 1 by 3. So this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So you will get 12y minus 4 is equal to 33x plus 11. So what will be the answer? Can you guys check it? Oh, we should take minus 1 by m. Yes. We should take minus 1 by m. So this is gonna be minus 1 by m. Yup, you're right, Uncharted. So it will be minus 4 by 11. Okay. So when you do that, what will you get? Can you please help me with that? So you'll get 33y minus 11 is equal to minus 12x minus 4. So if you solve that, I think you'll get this. Yeah. C is correct. C is absolutely correct. Are you all fine with that? Yes, Uday Kiran, you're all absolutely correct. So shall we move forward, people? Very good. So let us move ahead to the next one. I hope you're all ready for pair of straight lines. So pair of straight lines is one of the good concepts. I don't think you get many questions in mains, but I just thought I'll complete it. So let us say if you have two lines 2x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. And let's say you have another line x plus y equal to 3 or minus 3 equal to 0. So this is line L1, this is line L2. Now pair of straight line means I express these two lines together. So that is only pair of straight lines. So I will write it as 2x plus y minus 1 into x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. So when I open it, I will get 2x square plus 2xy minus 6x plus xy plus y square minus 3y. Then you'll have minus 1x minus y plus 3. So this equal to 0 is my pair of straight line equation. Are you all clear? So pair of straight line means it is an equation of two lines combined together. How do I combine them? I multiply them. So that is how you get the equation of pair of straight lines. And the general way in which it is written is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now here, this will represent a pair of straight line only under certain conditions, and that is what I am going to show you right now. Please make a note of it. So when you have the general equation as ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0, then that pair of straight line will be a pair of straight line only if this condition is satisfied. Because guys, I am sure everybody remembers I taught you conic sections. This is nothing but the general equation of second degree. General equation of second degree in x and y. General equation of second degree in x comma y, and that usually represents conic sections. And when I say conic section, it can be pair of straight line, it can be ellipse, hyperbola, parabola, circle. But how does this represent pair of straight line? Only if this discriminant delta is equal to 0. What is delta? Delta is nothing but ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square. So when you expand this determinant, you will get this value. This value, if it is 0, then this expression or this equation will represent a pair of straight line. Are you all clear? Everybody? Everybody got it, guys? So guys, shall we move forward? It was master teacher. No. Because of Pongal release of master, we will keep only as master for now. Great. So guys, let's move forward. I hope you are all clear. So these are all the pointers which you have to note down. Please make a note of it right now and then we will move forward. Yes, Olivia, take care. So guys, if you have the equation as ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, now that will represent two pair of lines y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x. Why? Because 0, 0 will satisfy it. So origin has to lie on both the lines. So if origin has to lie on both the lines, then the lines will be like this. So I can say in general, the lines are y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x. So then what I can do is, I can divide by x square. I'll get a plus 2hy by x plus by x whole square is equal to 0. So I can take y by x as m. So I will get bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic in slope. So the roots are m1 and m2. So m1 plus m2 is minus b by a, and m1 m2 is equal to c by a. I hope you guys are clear with that. Are you all clear? Vanisha, we are almost nearing the end of it. Hello Shrohana, welcome. Everybody clear with this? Shivani, pair of straight line is just an additional concept which I thought I'll explain you, because it is not necessary for your JEE Mains. I just thought it will be good for you to know it with respect to advanced and KVPY. Okay? So please do it, and with this question we will wind up. And if you guys want to ask some questions, we can discuss about it. We'll have a good conversation. I have no idea, Shakti. Yes. Shriram, for JEE mains it is not important, but for JEE advanced it is important. You need to study that. So today the syllabus for JEE advanced has come out. I hope you guys saw that. So it is going to be the usual stuff. It contains all the usual stuff, whatever we prepare normally. So guys, it is race time now. So put your best effort, study with all your heart, and it is going to be worthwhile. Whatever effort you put in, whatever hard work you put in, it will have its reward, I'm telling you. Because I have been in IIT and the life which I experienced there is unmatchable. So those 5 years that I spent in IIT were kind of like the best top 5 years in my life. And I'm sure you guys wouldn't want to miss that. Whatever hard work, whatever sweat you are sweating right now, it will be fruitful for you in just a few more years, few more months actually. Okay? So make sure you have that in your mind. You are clear about why you are preparing for such a great exam, and then put your best effort. Exactly, Sriram. Take a lot of test series, be a part of a good crash course, prepare hard for board exams, do well in your board exams, because otherwise your parents will start worrying about it. It is very natural, guys, because when I was a student as well, my parents used to worry about board exam. They'll be like, you're not doing well in board exam, then how can you do well in IIT? If you're not scoring in board exam, then how will you do well in IIT? So that is a natural question which every parent will ask. So I would say balance it out, put some good effort and try to come out of it in a fruitful manner. Okay? Yes, Kaushik. Okay. Sir, is NIT similar to IIT? Yes. Of course, the college life in NIT, IITs, BITS Pilani, and then you have the triple ITs, all of them are usually the same. The ones with hostel life is similar. See, IIT, even though I am from Madras, I studied in IIT Madras hostel. So hostel life is fun, na? You have your friends from North India, from Kerala, from Andhra, from Karnataka, from East, from West, everywhere. So it's very, very fun atmosphere. You celebrate birthdays at night, and you go out with your friends, you talk to them, you go out for chai, you study together, you play together. So that is a fun part about the life in IIT. You get to be around people who are extremely talented and who are extremely different in personalities. They are from different places, right? So that is amazing. GPL, of course, man. I have been a victim of GPL. I will not forget those horrible memories. Yes. In every hostel it happens. Tape face. Yes, Shreya, I am from Chennai. Okay. GPL, you try to check it later. I am not going to say what is that. Okay. Is hostel life different from IITs, NITs and normal colleges? I think it is different, man. Yeah. IITs and NITs will be similar, but your normal colleges, it will be different for sure. Because the amount of freedom you have in IIT is very high. You are free to do what you want beyond the college hours. So you can study, you can work on projects, you can while away time with your friends, you can go outside. So anything can be done. So it teaches you to be independent. It teaches you to grow as a person. Because in India, till 18 years, we are, handheld by our parents, right? So in IIT, it builds you up as a person. It grows you. So it will teach you how to become independent, stronger, better person. Because you meet everybody. You meet people with different opinion. You meet people with different background. But you understand to mingle with them. So that experience is great about IITs. Okay? Not just IITs, even NITs or any other college. But since it's hostel life and you have a lot of freedom, it's much easier to get this experience in IITs. Okay? Yes, yes, that's correct. That is exactly what GPL is. Nishant, I am from Chennai, man. In Chennai, not many speak Hindi. At least the native people of Chennai don't speak Hindi. I tried to learn Hindi, but if I speak, I make a lot of grammatical errors. Okay. No problem, Anisha. I will try to learn, Nishant. Pakka. Tanish, I will start after some time. Once the 2021 batch is sorted. Yes, Danush, during birthdays. Next class, Harita, is tomorrow, 4 o'clock. So try to be a part of it. So guys, did you all solve this question? So sum of the slopes is what? So first I need to divide by x square. So I'll get 1 plus 2c y by x minus y by x the whole square is equal to 0. Y by x is nothing but m. So I will get minus m square plus 2cm plus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the sum of slope? m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2c by minus 1 and m1 m2 is equal to 1 by minus 1. So we are given that the sum of the slope is 4 times the product of the slope. So c is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is option A. Is that correct? Is that correct, guys? Can you please check it? The sum of the slopes of the line is 4 times their product. So I think this should be right, na? Why did everybody say something else? Uday Kumar is right. Around which month? Tanish Goel, I will start it most probably by your March or April. March I will start it, pakka. So till then be a part of these sessions, you will learn something. But from March I will definitely take it up. Thank you Sandesh Raju, welcome man. So guys, with that, let's go and have a look at angle between pair of straight lines. You guys can make a note of this formula. Okay, so let's say you have two straight lines. Let's say you have L1 and L2. So their combined equation is given as ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus what? 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this is the combined equation of pair of straight lines. So if you want to find out the angle between them, then tan theta is given by modulus of 2 root h square minus ab by a plus b. So that is the formula. So if they are perpendicular, then denominator should be 0. So if a plus b is 0, they are perpendicular. That is a very important condition. Please remember that. Everybody clear with that? Everybody? Very good, Tanish. Very good. Yes, yes, Shakti. No problem, Albert Einstein. That's totally fine. The previous question, the answer is c equal to 2. I will just check it. Give me a second. But guys, everybody is fine with this? Yes, yes. Then only tan theta is infinity, na? Tan 90 tends to infinity because it is not defined at 90, right? That's how we do it. Whenever they are perpendicular, it will be tan of 90 and that time your denominator has to be 0 because tan 90 is not defined. Clear, Saurav? You are right, Saurav. That's correct. Hello, Babu Rao. I hope you understood it. Sriram is saying the previous question, the answer has to be c equal to 2. No, Sriram, it is c equal to minus 2 only. So I solved it correct only. Okay, please check it. You might have made a calculation error. Okay, go for this one, guys. So this is the last question. After this, I will show you guys some homework questions which everybody can do and then we will conclude it. So everybody please complete it and tell me what you think is the right answer. For class 12, nope, I think it is there for class 11th. Yes, Uncharted, I will definitely talk to you guys about the dream batch so that everybody can be a part of these classes. Two values. Yes, absolutely, Uday. You guys are all perfectly right because the answer is two values. So the condition is a plus b should be 0. A is nothing but the coefficient of x square and b is nothing but the coefficient of y square. So a plus b is equal to 0. So I will get a square plus 3a minus 2 is equal to 0. So I will get a plus, okay, it cannot be factorized. A is equal to what? Minus b plus or minus root of b square, 9 minus 4ac, which will be 17 by 2a. So there are two real values. So option A is the right answer. I hope you guys have got it. Shakti, that is a surprise. I don't have a bike, man, I have a car. So I will let you know once I get a bike. Okay. So guys, with that we will stop with the questions. If you guys have any doubts, you can ask me and I will give you some homework questions which you can try out on your own. So these are all the homework questions which I want everybody to solve and you can let me know in the comment section below. Okay. Tell about the dream batch. So guys, Vedantu, as always, we try our best to surprise you, to help you with your preparation. Please listen carefully. The first and the foremost is, we had the Eklavya batch and I'm sure some of you have made it into the batch and you guys are enjoying it. I keep getting messages from students saying that they are experiencing some of the best quality teaching and they have never experienced that before. So such level of teaching they are exposed to and they are saying that they can get top 1000 ranks. My own students whom I have mentored personally. And I'm sure you guys also can make it. Now Eklavya batch is done. We are coming up with another batch called as the Dream Batch. So this Dream Batch is mentored by some of the top teachers from Chandigarh. Okay. So these people are, very experienced. They have mentored toppers, top 10 ranks, top 50 ranks, top 100 ranks. And they have come now to help you guys through Vedantu to secure your dream rank. And we want to handpick you guys and help you reach your potential. So to help handpicking process, we have conducted an exam. And that exam is your Head Start exam. That is what we call as the HAT-G. So a HAT-G exam is for your 9th, 10th and 11th standard students. If you are in 9th, 10th and 11th, do write this exam. Maybe you will get scholarship. Maybe you will get selected. Maybe you can study for free. So there is no payment as of now. You have to just write the exam and if you get a good scholarship, you can have a very big discount and this is for 9th, 10th and 11th separately. Separate exam for 9th, separate exam for 10th, separate exam for 11th. Okay. So the link for the exam is given in our channel, Vedantu's Enthuse channel. You can go and check it. There is a video called as Dream Batch. So if you want to make it into that batch, please check it out. Is it only for Chandigarh people? No. Vedantu is for whole India. Vedantu is for whole India, man. I told you our aim is to reach every corner of our country and we will not stop until we do that. So you guys are going to help us with it. So guys, if you enjoyed the session, do give a like right now. Hit the like button, destroy it so that I know you guys are enjoying the sessions. And if you guys are new to the channel, do subscribe because you can see me again and I can see you again. That is more important. So homework questions I've given you. If you want the session PDF, you guys have to check out the Telegram group. And for all the 12th standard guys, the 12th standard people will be asking, sir, what about us? I'm in 12th standard, sir. What? You forgot about me? No, for you also Vedantu has some amazing courses. We have the JEE plus CBSE crash course because now is the time when your parents will start worrying. Your parents will be like, you have to do well in CBSE, board exams is very important, you need to get at least 80%, 90%, 95%, 100%. So if you want to get a good score in CBSE and want to do well in your JEE mains, then this is perfect for you, because you have 45 JE lectures and 107 CBSE lectures taken by the best master teachers of India in Vedantu. You have live interactive courses. You have doubt solving anytime from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock every day of your preparation. So all this is available for a price of 9,600 if you use this particular coupon code. So as you guys can see over here, the coupon code is SJCC21. So in case you guys are interested, click on the link, use this coupon code, and we will see in the live classes. Yes, Shriram, test series are very good, but you need to take some gap in between to go through your mistakes. You cannot just simply write test series after test series after test series. You need to check it out. That is very important. Okay. Great. Exactly, Venisha. So Saurav, it will be present in the session PDF. So definitely check it out. I will show you once again, but take a screenshot of it. So this is the last question, and this is the last but one. Then you have one more question. Then you have one more question. Then you have one more. So you can take a screenshot of all of them and then you can work it out. So guys, with that we will conclude. Straight lines done. What next? I will start off marathon on mathematical reasoning, statistics, and trigonometry. So these are the next 3 important topics we have to do in the marathon session. But as usual, our previous year's question solving will continue. So see you guys tomorrow at 4 p.m. Don't forget, we have a brilliant session coming up. Okay? So guys, with that we will conclude. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the session. Take care and be back tomorrow and try to spread the word. Do share it with your friends. I know many of your friends might be looking out for help. So let them know about this channel now. Let them know. Share it. I always forget to tell this. This is very important. Share it to your friends. Subscribe and do like our videos so that we will definitely come up with better and greater content for you. Okay. Thank you, Shreya. Yes, Venisha, I will keep that in mind. Yes, Albert, I will make a session on those colleges which I left out in the last video. Many people have been asking me. So guys, with that we'll conclude. Take care. A very good night to all of you. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.